My name is Neelam Shaji Kolkar and title of my program name is Personal Information System using sorting and searching for STL and vector method. Hash include IOStream is standard input output stream header file. Hash include algorithm is generic because they can operate variety of data structure. Hash include vector is the STL vector library using namespace standard class item. Here create class item public character name 10 integer quantity integer cost and integer code. Quantity, cost and code is type of integer. Boolean operator equal to constant item and I1. Boolean operators allow you to create more complex conditional statements. If code equal to I1 dot code. Operator will return 1 then comparison is true and operator will return 0 then comparison is false. Boolean operator greater than constant item and I1. If code greater than I1 dot code. Return if operator will return 1 then comparison is true and operator will return 0 then comparison is false. Vector item 1. Here display insert search and delete operation are performed. Boolean compare constant item and I1 constant item and I2. Return I1 dot cost less than I2 dot cost. Here Boolean compare constant item and I1 constant item and I2 if I1 dot name not equal to I2 dot name then return I1 cost greater than I2 cost. Integer main integer ch and do insert display search sort delete exit. These operations are performed on your class item. You insert operation perform here enter your choice. You insert display search sort delete exit. Anyone जे तुम्हाला पाहिजे ते घेऊ शकता तुम्ही. इन्सर्ट तर इन्सर्ट डिस्प्ले तर डिस्प्ले सर्च तर सर्च. ते सीन ch switch ch. Here switch statement is used. Switch statements are multi-way branch statements, easy way to dispatch execution to different parts of code based on value expressions. Case first, insert then break statement is reached, the switch terminates and the flow of control jumps to next line. Then display break, search break, display break, delete break and exit. While statement. Here while statement is used. While statement is repeat a section code on unknown number of times until a specific condition is met. Void insert. Here insert operation is performed. Firstly, enter name, quantity, item cost and code. Then display operation is performed. Display item name, item quantity, cost and code. Here search operation is performed. जो पण तुम्हाला आयटम सर्च करायचा आहे तो एंटर करायचा. जर तो सापडला तर फाउंड अँड नाही सापडला तर नॉट फाउंड. वाईट डिलीट. हर डिलीट ऑपरेशन इज परफॉर्म. तुम्हाला जो पण आयटम डिलीट करायचा आहे तो तुम्ही एंटर करायचा. जर तुम्हाला आयटम सापडला तर फाउंड अँड देन डिलीट आयटम अँड जर नाही सापडला तर नॉट फाउंड अँड देन here output of this program. Firstly you insert name, books and quantity.